Hello all. Our application is Renter. Team members are Suresh Appana and Midun Matthew Sunny. This application is useful for the leasing offices, where it acts as a communication media between leasing office and the tenants. Initially, the leasing office has to sign up into the app by clicking on the sign up option. Here we are providing two options: sign up for tenant and leasing office. The leasing office has to fill all these details and validation performed here. If it doesn't fill any field, it will throw the error and the email should be valid. For the wrong email field, it will throw the error. Once he enters the correct email address and clicking on the sign up button, a confirmation email will be sent to that person. The confirmation email will be like this. He has to click on this link and activate his account. It will be redirected to Parse account and it will be successfully verified. As he successfully verified, he can now enter his details and able to log into the system. Once clicking on the login button, it will take you to the default home page, that is ticket space. As he doesn't have any apartments and tickets, by default it will show blank. He has to add the apartments. For that, he has to click on the plus button here and he has to enter the fields. He can optionally enter the tenant details. Let us assume he is adding the tenant details. Validation to the fields has taken care. Wow, see here, the apartment has added by showing that one person is there, Suresh. Now it's a tenant turn to activate his account. For that one, he has to click on the sign up button and he has to validate his email initially. If the email is present in the system, it will list out the details. Then he has to enter his password and other fields. Once he clicks on the sign up button, a confirmation email will be sent to the tenant. After the successful verification of email, he has to fill the details and log in. In the similar fashion, we have added another apartment with a member in it. It will redirect to the default ticket space. These are the options available for the tenants. Initially, if he wants to create any ticket, he has to click on the plus button and he has to write the title, Lost Keys. We can choose the priority. Once you click on the raise ticket, immediately the apartment person will be notified here. See, if you can go to the tickets activity and we can see the ticket here. And the leasing office has a privilege to edit the ticket, either in progress or closed. If he wants to close the ticket, it got resolved. So he wants to close the ticket, he has to select the date and the save changes. So immediately the committee person will be notified. In the similar fashion, all the tickets raised by the tenants will be consolidated and showed here. We are having the option to sort either according to by date or by status. Tickets and apartment is done. Now we are moving to facilities. Here, in one place it will show all the facilities with availability in this form. As he has not added any facilities, by adding that, you have to click the plus button and fill the details. So the washing machines are 20 available and the 10 are occupied currently. Has to click on add. At any time, he can click on this one. At any time, to edit the availability, he has to click on long click and change this availability to 20, 15 occupied. So there will be totally 5 available. So like that, we can add many other. Let's assume he added one more facility, that is dryer. Totally 5 are available in 10 out of 10. Currently the vacant flats are showing 0. Let's assume he added an apartment without any occupants. If we go there, it will show vacant flat as 1. In the tenant side, he can see the available facilities in this form. Total number of vacant flats are 1 and the availability of the facilities. Now we are moving on to notification. Let's assume the leasing office person wants to inform all the tenants with some notification. he has to click on the notification and pay rent ASAP. Here he can select which are the apartments he want. Let's assume he want all the apartments. Click on send button. Immediately the tenants will be notified. You can see the notification here. Here we are having settings option where he can change the name of the leasing office and the contact number. Now we are moving on to discussion forum. In the tenant side, by using this discussion forum, all the tenants can discuss with themselves. Let's assume I want to invite all the tenants, all my neighborhoods for a party. Hi, see this. They will be notified with the messages. So I am inviting all my neighborhood for a Christmas party. I will type the message and click on enter. So immediately all the persons will be notified. Okay, let's see the message. Oh sure, we will join with you. Wow, see this. All the persons will be notified. Now we are moving on to the payments. By using this, he can do the payment of any rent or anything. He has to fill the details. All the details should be valid. Once he start typing his card number, it will detect and it will show what type of card it is. He has to select what type of currency it is. Let's assume we are giving USD and click pay. Validation has taken care. And tenant also can change the settings. Here the name and the contact number. He can see that amount $1000 is transferred by using this PayMail, the API we are using for the money transfer. So finally, this is our app. Thank you very much.